Case summary. Case citation. Cundy v. Lindsay 1878 3 App Cas 459 Court. House of Lords, UK. Background facts. Claimant. Cundy and Company. Plaintiff defendant. Lindsay and Company. Defendant. Cundy and Company, a linen draper in London, received an order for goods from a person named Blencarn. The goods were delivered to an address which appeared to be the genuine address of Blencarn, who was a genuine and reputable customer of Cundy and Company. Unbeknownst to Cundy and Company, however, Blencarn's signature on the order had been forged by a fraudster named Hewitt, who was acting as an agent for Lindsay and Company, another linen draper. Hewitt then sold the goods obtained from Cundy and Company to Lindsay and Company, who had no knowledge of the forgery. Argument. Claimant's argument. Cundy and Company argued that Lindsay and Company were not entitled to keep the goods obtained through the forged order. They contended that Lindsay and Company received the goods under circumstances that did not confer good title, as the order was forged. Defendant's argument. Lindsay and Company argued that they were innocent purchasers for value and had no knowledge of the forgery when they acquired the goods from Hewitt. They claimed they had acted in good faith and were therefore entitled to retain ownership of the goods. Final outcome and legal justification. The House of Lords ruled in favour of Cundy and Company, holding that Lindsay and Company did not acquire good title to the goods. The court reasoned that Lindsay and Company, although innocent purchasers, did not acquire ownership because they received the goods through a fraudulent misrepresentation. The forged order, which conferred no title on Hewitt or Lindsay and Company. Legal justification. Doctrine of nemo dat quod non habet. Under this principle, one cannot transfer a better title to goods than they themselves possess. Since Hewitt had no title to the goods due to the forgery, he could not pass good title to Lindsay and Company, innocent purchaser. The court acknowledged that Lindsay and Company were innocent purchasers who acquired the goods in good faith and without knowledge of the fraud. However, this did not override the application of the nemo dat rule in this case. Policy considerations. The decision emphasized the importance of protecting property rights and ensuring that fraudulent transactions do not undermine the integrity of commercial dealings. Key concept implication. The case establishes the principle that innocent purchasers for value may not acquire good title to goods obtained through fraud or forgery. It underscores the application of the nemo dat rule to protect the rightful owner's property rights. Key learnings. Innocent purchasers for value are generally protected in commercial transactions, but this protection is subject to the nemo dat rule. The importance of verifying the legitimacy of transactions and ensuring proper documentation to avoid disputes over ownership. Courts uphold property rights and discourage fraudulent practices to maintain trust and integrity in commercial transactions.